I'm Ben Wu. I'm from Education Service Australia. It's a non-for-profit government ministerial-owned agency based in Melbourne on Collins Street. And I'm the ICT service manager for the company. I look after the service delivery essentially for the internal business, for our external vendors, and also for our hosting customers. I believe we've been a customer for about 3 years of ManageEngine. ManageEngine is quite well used in our environment, and how it's benefited our environment is that I enjoy using the multiple features that the product actually have. One feature that I use quite heavily is the change management feature. And I've noticed a difference from where I came from previously to ESA, in which we did change management on a spreadsheet. With the process flow and the ease of customization, it's made our lives a lot easier when it comes to approving changes, and progressing that change from beginning to end. In terms of the ServiceDesk product itself, it's been quite beneficial as well to the organisation. It's highly customisable, very simple. I'm not a coder or anything like that, but I know my way around customising the actual software. And so very usable in terms of how the calls get logged. It's pretty simple, through a process of either email, a web form. So it's been, I guess the software is very easy to use, which makes our administrators or our technicians comfortable. The reporting function at ManageEngine is pretty good. It's very easy to customise reports I need for my monthly service report for our CIO. And so time save, I guess, would be with the customised report and scheduled emails. I get a report at the beginning of the month, and I compile the reports into a bigger service delivery report. It's that aspect of it, and I think for me personally, the customisations, I think it's the ManageEngine system makes it very simple to use. So if there's a new feature or new field or a new addition that I need to add or a new workflow, I could easily do it, without needing to consult with ManageEngine or anyone else. I can jump in and make the modification, do the testing and deploy. So from a support, licensing, sales point of view, so the support has been good. The response has been very quick. Actually, I've been pretty impressed with that. For example, any sales queries I have or support queries I have for ServiceDesk Plus, and we use Desktop Central as well, I get pretty quick response time from the ManageEngine staff. We've had ManageEngine personnel come over from overseas to train our staff as well, as in my technicians, and he's been very, very knowledgeable, and the training has been very beneficial for the company. And just in terms of picking up the phone and calling them, so we've had questions that we needed to ask ManageEngine about, from feature upgrades to bug fixes, and again, it's been pretty simple and quick. Especially, I guess, if I compare it to some other technology product that we use. Definitely, I find ManageEngine support to be quite good. As a customer, I think ManageEngine's been a bit of an eye-opener from a ITSM product set that we've used, I've used personally. Again, I'll go back to simple to deploy, simple to use, simple to install, and simple to support. It's a big deal when you've got a multitude of technology system that you need to maintain in an IT environment. So, I think for me, if there was one word that would sum it up, it would be simple.